Hi, kitty. Oh, no, not to the tree again. You'll be stuck on the tree. See? Oh dear, my poor kitty. I need to think of a way to get you down from the tree now. Let me think. How about your favorite snack? Will you come down if I give you your favorite snack? Over here. Here, kitty. Come down. Come down, please. Oh no. I guess you're stuck on the tree now. Oh, I need to drive my fire truck near to the tree and get you down from there. Hang on, kitty. I will come and rescue you. Hang on, kitty. I'm coming to you now. Hang on tight. Everyone, be safe. Here I am, kitty. Jump to me. Jump to me, kitty. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Yay!
I love you so much, kitty. Please don't run away from me again. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.
So, who is Firefighter? His or her job is to drive fire truck and find people and rescue them from all kinds of emergency situations. Firefighter. So, firefighter is our good friend. They are very strong, brave, and super helpful.